our entry-level model, a great all-purpose grinder, and a unit that has 40mm steel conical burrs that adjust through the 40 steps of adjustment from French press coarse to filter medium all the way down to an espresso fine grind. These burrs are driven by a powerful DC motor that's activated with an on-off switch on the side. You can turn it in either direction, or a pulse button on the front that'll run the motor for as long as you hold it. Looking at the clear hopper, it holds around 10 ounces of whole beans, and the clear grounds bin has a fill line to indicate when it's time to empty it out.